So we were discussing cash flow from investing activity. Yesterday we have discussed the journal entries done in machinery account, accumulated depreciation account, and with the help of these we have prepared, we have calculated cash flow from investing activities also. Now we will practice it further. Now see this question. It is saying from the following particulars determine cash flow from investing activities of Jupiter Limited. Uh, Balances of 31st March 2019 as well as of 31st March 2020 are given. 10% investments and fixed assets. This is given here. Opening balance and closing balance is given. Now it is further given half of the investments held in the beginning of the year were sold at a 10% gain. Depreciation on fixed assets was rupees 1 lakh for the year. Interest received 35,000, dividend received rupees 25,000. So we have to calculate cash flow from investing activities. So we will prepare ledger accounts of 10% investments as well as fixed assets. So here now investments have debit balance to balance brought down. Opening balance is 2,50,000. And closing balance is 50,000. So we will write here closing balance by balance carried down 50,000. Now another account, fixed assets account, opening balance is 8,75,000 to balance brought down 8,75,000 is the opening balance. By balance carried down closing balance is 11,90,000. Now, see the further information given. Half of the investments held in the beginning. So in the beginning, we were having 2,50,000 rupees investments. So half of it will be 1,25,000 were sold at a gain of 10%. So we will sell it by bank account. Now we have to show the calculation of selling amount. For that, we should prepare working notes. First point, sale amount of investments. So gain, or you can write cost of investments is equal to 2,50,000 divided by 2 is equal to 1,25,000. Then gain on sale is equal to, at the rate of 10%, is equal to 12,500. So obviously the sale amount will be cost plus gain. It will be equal to 1,37,500. Now we will write these amounts. So here it will be 1,37,500. And then gain entry will be done here to statement of profit and loss. You can write here working note number 1 also, so that examiner should be clear about from where you have shown this calculations. Okay, so in this way we have completed the investment account, but now we have to check the totals. So the total of debit side is still this balance is 5 lakh. So it will come here. So the total will be greater 6,37,500. We will write this total here 6,37,500. Now we have to calculate the balancing amount, and because debit side is less than the credit side, so this entry will be for purchase of investments to bank account. We will always mention here balancing figure. Now 6,37,500 minus 12,500, it will be 6,25,000. 4,25,000. 4,25,000 minus 25, 4 lakh minus 25, 3,75,000. So the balancing figure will be 3,75,000. Now you can check the total also. 5, 5 to 7, 7, 1, 8, 5, 13, 3. Yes. So it will be 3,75,000. So this means that we have purchased 10% investments for the value rupees 3,75,000 in the current year, and we have sold the investments for this value. So as regarding this profit, profit will be used in operating activity. Regarding this purchase of investment, this is part of investing activity. Regarding this sale of investment, this is part of investing activity. Opening and closing balances will be of no use. It will be used only in the calculation of inflow and outflow of investing activity. So proceeds from sale of investments one lakh 37,500. Outflow we will write later on. Let first complete the fees asset account. Now for fees asset account, the information given in the question is that depreciation has been charged for rupees 1 lakh. So first we will write the depreciation here by depreciation account. One lakh. Now see any other information is there. Opening and closing balance is given, depreciation is given. So as regarding fixed asset account, only this much information is given. So we will again total the credit side first. The total will be 12,90,000. We will write this total on the debit side again because it is short. So this entry will be to bank account, and again it will be a balancing figure. And please try to practice them also neat and clean. Don't make rough formats. So now 8,75,000 plus 25, 9 lakh, then plus 390. So 390 plus 25, 4,15,000. It will be 4,15,000. So this means that you have purchased fixed assets worth rupees 4,15,000 in the current year, and we have not sold out any machinery, any fixed asset during the current year. So two accounts are completed. Then you have received interest on investments and you have received dividend on investments. So that is not part of any account. That will be directly written here. So we will write here interest received on investments. Interest received is 35,000. Dividend received on investments. Dividend received is 25,000. So whatever inflows were there, we have recorded that. 3 inflows are there. We will add them up and then we will subtract the outflows. So the total inflow is 35 plus 5, 40 plus 20, 60. Then 97, 500, 1,97,500. 35, 40, 60, 97,500. 1,97,500. 5, 7, 5, 12, 5, 17, 4, 3, 7, 2, 9. Yes. Now we will write the outflows. So we have purchase of 10% investments. And we have purchased investments for rupees 3,75,000. We will write it in bracket. 3,75,000. Then we have purchased machine fixed assets. Purchase of fixed assets. For 15,000. Now we can calculate cash flow from operating activity. Cash flow from investing activity. And because outflows are more than inflows, so the answer will be cash used in investing activity. Now it will be 375 plus 15, 390, 7,90,000. So the answer will be 7,90,000 minus 1,97,500. So it will be 5,90,000. So 5,92,000. 500. 5,92,500. And this answer will also be written in brackets because it is a negative answer. That's why.